Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with coconut milk. We'll cover the simple steps to create a delicious, dairy-free treat right in your own kitchen. You'll learn about the key ingredients, necessary tools, and the fermentation process. Get ready to enjoy homemade coconut yogurt that's both easy and satisfying. To begin, select full-fat coconut milk, ideally without gums or thickeners, for the best texture. You'll also need a probiotic capsule or a specific yogurt starter culture. Essential equipment includes a clean glass jar, a whisk, and a reliable thermometer to monitor temperatures accurately throughout the process. First, gently heat your coconut milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a safe and optimal environment for your starter. Next, whisk in your probiotic or starter culture thoroughly. Pour the mixture into your clean jar and allow it to ferment for 8 to 12 hours. For a thicker yogurt, consider adding a small amount of tapioca starch or agar-agar during the heating phase. Once fermented, refrigerate your coconut yogurt for at least 4 hours to chill and set. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your delicious, homemade dairy-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.